Diving right in, we kick off with the FDM L5 caseless ammo rifle. What sets this rifle apart is its unique caseless ammunition. This feature significantly reduces both weight and waste, making it a standout in the realm of firearms. When it comes to performance, the FDM L5 doesn't disappoint. It's renowned for its accuracy and efficiency, making every shot count. With its high-tech design and innovative features, this is more than just a rifle. It's an investment in the future of firearms technology. This is a weapon that truly embraces the future of firearms. Moving on, we have the compact powerhouse, the Keltec P50. This firearm is a marvel of design with a whopping 50-round magazine, Picatinny-style rails, and quick-detach mounts for all your accessory needs. When it comes to performance, the P50 is a true standout. It's chambered in 5.7 millimeters, renowned for its accuracy and impressive distance capabilities. But what truly sets the P50 apart is its versatility. It's not just a hit among law enforcement agencies for its efficiency, but also among sport shooters who vouch for its exceptional performance. And for the value? Well, with its unique blend of power, precision, and capacity, the P50 certainly gives you a bang for your buck. It's a compact weapon that doesn't compromise on power. Next up is the versatile Keltec KS7 12-gauge Shotgun. This compact firearm is designed with a unique 18.5-inch magazine tube and barrel, and a carry handle that doubles as a sighting solution. The real charm lies in its performance. Owing to its bullpup design, the KS7 offers standard velocity in a compact size, ideal for quick, precise shooting. It's not just about performance, though. With its suitability for home defense and backcountry hiking, its rear loading and downward ejection features also add to its user-friendly appeal. This compact shotgun delivers in terms of performance and versatility. Changing gears, we look at the unique B&T KH9 Covert. This firearm is a limited production piece, boasting distinctive features that set it apart. The folding magazine well and pistol grip are designed for discreet storage in tight spaces, making it ideal for those needing to be inconspicuous. It's primed for rapid deployment in non-permissive environments, showcasing its performance capabilities. The double-action trigger system and 3-position selector switch further enhance its functionality, making it a formidable piece of hardware. Given its limited production status and advanced features, it's an investment piece. The B&T KH9 Covert is a truly unique firearm for those needing discretion and rapid deployment. Turning our attention to the unusual MBA GyroJet gun. This firearm is a marvel of the 60s, boasting a unique feature. It fires small rockets instead of traditional bullets. This results in almost no recoil and an impressively lightweight design. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing for the MBA GyroJet. It had its fair share of challenges, including unreliable combustion and a low muzzle velocity, which somewhat hampered its performance. Despite this, the GyroJet holds a niche in the market due to its historical significance and unique design. If you're a collector or a history buff, this might be a worthy addition to your collection. The MBA GyroJet gun is an interesting piece of firearm history that still sparks fascination today. Let's proceed with the high-profile Arsenal Firearms 2nd Century double-barrel pistol. This is no ordinary firearm. It is the first of its kind, a double-barrel pistol, a design that has intrigued collectors and gun lovers alike. With its striking silver and black magic grips, it's as much a piece of art as it is a tool of precision. This double-barrel pistol made its mark in the iconic Spectrum 007 movie back in 2005, further cementing its status as a collector's item. But it's not all about aesthetics. This pistol delivers exceptional performance on the range thanks to its innovative design. For the gun enthusiast who thought they had seen it all, the 2nd Century double-barrel pistol takes the cake. Next up, silence the competition with the SilencerCo Maxim 9. Founded in 2008, SilencerCo has been a trailblazer in the world of firearm accessories, prioritizing authenticity, innovation, and a seamless shooting experience. The Maxim 9 is a testament to this dedication, offering shooters an array of options for mounting, end caps, and customization. This firearm accessory is not just about aesthetics, it's about optimizing performance. With the SilencerCo Maxim 9, it's not about making noise, It's about making an impact. Moving on to a game changer, the Pivot ultra-compact folding rifle by Trailblazer Firearms. This semi-automatic 9mm rifle stands out with its patented technology that allows for unique folding capabilities. It's no surprise it was honored with the 2024 American Rifleman Golden Bullseye Tactical Gun of the Year. The specifications are impressive, from its 16-inch threaded barrel and extendable stock to its compatibility with Glock magazines. Not to mention, Trailblazer Firearms, founded in 2014, has a solid reputation for designing and manufacturing innovative firearms. For those looking for innovation and portability, the Pivot ultra-compact folding rifle hits the bullseye. Next, we're charging up with the ArchFlash Labs EMG-02 coil gun. This impressive piece of tech is a full automatic Gauss accelerator with a power of 15 foot-pounds or 11 kilowatts. It's designed to fire variable caliber steel armatures, delivering a burst rate of up to 13 rounds per second, making it a unique addition to any collection. When you purchase the EMG-02, you get more than just the gun. It comes with a hard carrying case, a battery pack, a battery charger, a 15-round magazine, and 10 armatures. The ArchFlash Labs EMG-02 coil gun, a powerful piece of engineering for the tech-savvy gun enthusiast. Now imagine a gun that recognizes its user, enhancing both safety and personalized access. I'm talking about the Biofire Smart Gun. Let's talk specifications. The Biofire Smart Gun boasts superior ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable and intuitive user experience. Its performance doesn't disappoint either, delivering consistent, reliable firepower when you need it. But the real star of the show here is the smart technology. With features designed to prevent unauthorized use, it's a significant step forward in gun safety. With the Biofire Smart Gun, we're not just talking about a weapon, we're talking about a revolution in firearm technology.